Business, entertainment, or learning, everything around us is online. So right from small businesses to big MNCs, everyone is doing digital marketing to reach their online customers. And social media marketing has become an integral part of their marketing strategy. So if you're creative, passionate about social media, and is online 24/7, let me show you what a day in the life of a social media marketer looks like. Hi, my name is Sangeeta Menon. I am the founder of parenting blog Bums and Baby. I am also the digital marketing trainer at IIDE, India's leading digital marketing training institute, wherein I train and mentor students on topics like SEO, blogging, content creation, and social media marketing. In simple terms, social media marketing is a form of digital marketing which leverages the power of various social media platforms. This creates brand awareness, provides product information, and conveys the message of the company in a quirky way. If you're wondering about the scope of social media marketing, let me tell you some very interesting numbers. India currently has 467 million active social media users. On an average, an Indian spends 2.5 to 3 hours a day scrolling through various social media platforms. Currently, the demand for social media marketers is continuously increasing, and the supply of qualified social media marketers is quite low, ultimately creating a lot of scope in this industry. Firstly, we will understand what social media marketing is and what a social media manager actually does. Let's say you have joined as a social media manager for a company that runs a couple of fast food joints in Mumbai. So even before making a social media account, you have one important thing to do. Step 1, platform selection and optimization. You need to select the social media platform on which your company will mainly focus. And with time, you can move to other platforms. Now, in our case, this is a fast food company. So the potential customers would be college students and office-going young adults. And this age group of people is mainly active on Instagram. So your ideal platform should be Instagram. In a similar manner, depending upon your business and target audience, choose a social media platform for your company. The next step is to optimize your profile on that platform, which means adding all the details, giving a proper call to action, adding what you are and what you do in your bio. Step 2, content ideation and creation. Now that you have selected a platform, you need to work on the content strategy. Depending upon the platform, you need to select what type of content is to be made, like an image, video, microblogs, or reels. In our example of food joints and Instagram, reels on trendy music, interactive stories, and collaboration with food bloggers could be a great choice, as majority of youngsters spend their time scrolling reels. Depending on the content, you might have to write a copy, a video script, or a blog. This content piece then needs to be created and edited by the editing team. Now, content creation is a step that actually requires a lot of skills and creativity. You need to spend hours scrolling through social media platforms to understand the trends, and then make the content around the trends as per brand's taste and target audience. Step 3, posting and engaging. Posting is also a very important part of your job, as it will help you to understand how your efforts will pay off. Posting in the correct time when majority of your users are active, and then being active on the platform to reply to your users. These are most important tasks of your day. Engaging with your audience is important too, as other potential customers would consider your products and service from the reviews and comments they see on your profile. By the way, if you're enjoying our content, which we post regularly, then do subscribe to our channel, and I'm sure this will make our social media manager very happy. Step 4, analyzing your content. Now comes the most important step in the day of a social media manager. Just like any creative people, social media managers don't like numbers. But numbers are very important for your business. You need to see how your content has performed by understanding the analytics and checking the metrics. Are people discovering your food joints via paid collaboration or direct search results? Numbers like how many people liked, shared, saved, and commented on the post needs to be analyzed carefully. And accordingly, changes needs to be made in the next piece of content. Studying analytics will help you decide the type of content, strategy, and other such decisions. This will help you align the social media strategy to the company's goals. So these are the 4 major steps any social media manager goes through to meet the desired goals and objectives of the company. Being a social media manager is a tough task, and you need various skills like copywriting, basic video editing, designing, and more. This profession also requires you to be on your toes so that you don't miss out on any trends. So if you're someone who wants to make a career in social media marketing, we recommend our certification course in social media marketing, which help you understand the basics of social media and make you job ready. Link for the same is in the description below. If you want to know more about jobs and career opportunities in social media marketing, then do check out our video on career guides in social media. If you like the video, do hit the like button. And for more such content around social media, business and digital marketing, do subscribe to our channel.